a kick up there.
Look at that. Sensational.
You got it? Thank you. You guys home? Yeah. I'm glad it's sticking around long enough for us to get selfies with it, right? That's so nice of him. Is it to him?
Clearly it's a him.